Any mention?
Your Lordship, item number 5.
Yes.
If this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why?
The conducting counsel, she is still not keeping well.
Shilla?
Sima Bhattacharya, yes, Your Lordship.
She's on medical leave.
Yes, she's on medical leave, yes.
Priya made on behalf of Ms. Sanjay Shilla, learned senior G. Who is stated to be indisposed. List this matter after
2 weeks.
Able.
Hello, please, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, 8, and 9, Your Lordship. This is a connected matter, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why 3 weeks time?
Lordship, this is a POXO matter, Your Lordship.
Is it connected with this TV thing?
No, it is not connected.
Then?
Your Lordship, let it be after the 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Let it after 2 weeks, Your
No,
Lordship.
why you are asking for time? That is
The conducting counsel is having some personal difficulty, Your Lordship.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Made on the petition list after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, serial number 3. I just received the brief and we will be filing authority power
You are-
today for the petitioner.
For the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. Good morning.
Is this the matter where Mr. Hazarika was found to have
Yes,
appeared?
Lordship. Yes.
Okay. Where is Mr. Hazarika?
Yes,
He has not withdrawn as yet.
he has brought to us.
No, that is okay. That is all right. But then the thing is that he should be here to withdraw at least. Anyway, Mr. L.M. Sangma, Learned Counsel, has entered appearance on behalf of the petitioner as the earlier counsel appearing the matter has withdrawn himself from the case. Stop. As prayed for by Mr. Sangma. When do you want?
3 weeks, Your Lordship. No objection, Lordship.
2 weeks time is granted to enable him to go through the matter list accordingly.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, this is that criminal revision.
My lord, the petitioner is Mr. K. Paul and is relating to termination of a jailbreak warden.
What is to be done? Just see, these are old matters. Petitioner counsel is not here.
Maybe next week, my lord, will try to inform the petitioner, because if it is dismissed due to...
See, normally for one default, this court Doesn't it?
Absolutely,
But
my
then
lord.
If it is
So
repeated,
after
then
1
becomes
week, my lord.
non-appears of the petitioner. Mr. Sankit, the learned senior, additional senior G is present on behalf of the state respondent. List after a week.
A week. Obliged, my lord.
For?
The next occasion, if they do not appear, we'll dismiss.
Yes. My lord, this matter is, my lord, pertaining to that Nigerian citizen, my lord, where he was acquitted from 468 and 471, but
There are certain queries placed by the court to you, probably to clarify. But then, since this matter is pending for long,
my lord, I have done everything to find some judgments aligning with this, but unfortunately, my lord, so far I did not get. The Surprisingly, my lord, after acquittal under 468 and 71, under section 14 I have been convicted, my lord, whereas at the time when I was arrested, admittedly, my lord, on the face of the record, my lord, my visa was alive.
the thing is that, you see, the prosecution's allegation is that this extraction is obtained, procured by.
But I've been acquitted from that.
No, you have not done the thing. Maybe they have not found that you have committed the forgery.
Exactly.
But then the entry was forged. That is what they say. Now the problem is that Mr. Gurung, as you know, you are coming with concurrent finding. So we need something very solid if in case, if those judgments to be interfered with. Okay. Now, what requires for you basically to point out the wrong committed, especially those who have those wrong which would have, the effect of manifest illegality. That is what is mandated basically. We are not a revisional jurisdiction. May not go into evidence and all and reappreciate it again. Now, if you can point out something, the perversity, that some finding has been recorded, and apparently there is no basis for it.
Exactly, my lord. With all due respect, my lord, because initially at the time when I was arrested, my lord, I've been charged under 468 and 471, read with section 14 of the Foreign Act, my lord. My lord, section 14 was, my lord, clubbed with 468 and 471, and this 14 will stand if they can prove 468 and 471, my lord, because it's about forgery, my lord. I have even revealed the name of the person who had helped me for extension of my visa, my lord.
So supposing if we accept your submission, would it mean that the entry in the passport will become a valid entry?
It may not be so, my lord, but admittedly, my lord, since I have been acquitted from 468 and 471, my lord, at the time of my arrest, what remains is that has to be seen whether it has lapsed. It had not lapsed, my lord. I was arrested in the month of June. It was valid till the month of October, my lord. So, my lord, by that, my lord, 14
You
cannot
see,
stand.
what we saw probably, now this court remembers, we saw this thing, the visa and the end of it all.
Exactly.
Now, it has been pointed out by Mr. Kharimi at that
Yes,
point
yes,
of time.
I remember.
Even if we accept that to be correct also, because this extension came after a gap, after the expiry. So your stay for that period, when it had no validity, what happens with that?
My lord, I think on the
That is where probably
It
this
is-
court
it is-
wanted you to.
it is not so.
Say some-
my lord. I think it is misplaced that way.
No. You just see. Probably we had seen that earlier. But is it still there with us? Whether these material exhibits are still there with us? This LC record is there. Okay. The exhibits, material exhibits. See the entry, the passport.
Yes,
Have you
yes.
seen?
Yes, my lord. The state had filed a copy of the passport, my lord. Now, kindly, lordship will come to the first extension, my lord. First extension, my lord, permitted to stay in India till 17/10/2011. My lord is absolutely correct, but however, my lord, kindly look at the my lord, the last page, the last extension, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. Now there is another side of it that is also a visa, my lord, which my learned friend has, my lord, I think,
Which
has
side?
my lord, the same page, my lord, the last extension,
Last time is up to 1610,
my lord,
isn't it?
my lord. The counterfoil of that, my lord, is also another visa, my lord.
No.
No, no, kindly, my lord, this part.
Yes.
There's nothing. This is also an.
But then where is it? This nothing. Nothing is. This is a. You see, like this appears. This is the reverse side of the previous page.
My lord, kindly come to the other annexure, my lord. There are two visas, my lord.
Yes. So that is where there is no entry here.
Exactly, my lord. This has to be compared with the original, whether it is there-
Original is this code. You can see it.
That's it.
What you are saying is nothing. There is nothing on the left hand side. Perhaps the seal of the previous page appears.
My lord is absolutely correct to point out, my lord, that what happens to the, my lord, the period that was not extended, in view of the fact that the subsequent visa extension may cover me, but my stay during when my visa was had lapsed, my lord, that is absolutely correct, my lord, and I cannot improve it if at all.
No, that is okay. But then what is the position of law? That is what we are interested in.
Exactly, my lord.
We are not on. See, Mr. Gurung, we can understand. It's very fair on your part to say that thing also. And whatever you say, like a man may lie, document will never lie. That is a proposition. Okay. Now, what do you do with that period? Now, is it not that the stay of that person becomes illegal for that period?
My lord.
Let us keep aside that charges under 416 and all.
My lord.
Okay. Let us treat this as a valid also.
My lord.
Then what happens? That gap remains.
Absolutely, my
Now
lord.
that is precisely the query of the court.
Exactly.
So, say supposing if you can show some kind of law, we do not know whether it is there or not. That okay, if a person has stayed or overstayed his visa, but then subsequently, again he is allowed or his stays this thing, then it will be deemed that the period of overstay, which is alleged to have been alleged to have been illegal, that will get regularized automatically. Something sort of that proposition.
I'm praying for a week time, my lord. I'll research on that.
That is what all along the court is looking for. Because we do not want to unnecessarily victimize you also.
My lord.
If you are not involved in a wrong, you see, but then what happens? You may say that, okay, I am also a victim of forgery. I do not know who has done it. But then what about this, which is apparent? 2011 to 2012. 2010 to 2011.
my lord.
Up to 1710. And then 1710 11. From 1710 11 till 12. 16, 15 10 12. Where that 1 year stay becomes illegal.
My lord, even if we read, my lord, the last extension, my lord, it reads, my lord, permitted to stay till 16/10/2012, my lord. I think that covers my stay prior to that.
No, no, no.
Otherwise, my lord, something would have been reflected there.
See. See the previous page.
Exactly.
Now it is more irregular here. Date of issue is 1810,
Yes.
2010.
my lord.
And you are permitted to stay till 1710, 2011.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, this is issued by a communication dated 1510. If you see it down
My
below,
lord,
memo number is mentioned.
My lord.
Now come to the next page.
Yes.
Now, this is where you are permitted to stay
Till
till
16/10.
1610.
And
Okay.
that is
And see below the note
15/10.
1510.
My lord.
That is where the problem is. If it is 1510 11, then problem there is no problem.
I'll research on that.
So it is apparent that even assuming that there is a current that you are allowed to stay till 1610 by the memo date in 1512.
My lord is
1510,
absolutely
1510. So what happens? Your stay from 1710 2011
My lord.
till 1510 2012
Exactly.
becomes question.
Absolutely.
How do we cope up with that?
My lord.
And that stay will not constitute a crime under the Foreigners Act. That is what is to be.
Exactly. I'm enlightened, my lord. Because
No, see, this is
never-
not the question.
it-
This
it
is
ne-
how we read this. Look at the document. You see,
It didn't occur to my mind.
I would say no. See, it's a mindful application, isn't it? Had it been easy, had it been the next page, the last extension, which is allowed to be forced, had it been 1510 2011, there would
Exactly.
not have been any issue.
Exactly.
We could have passed some order
Absolutely correct.
basing on your submission. But then here, even if you accept your submission also, that may not help your cause. Until and unless, because two things. One is you're charged for forgery. Second thing is that you have overstayed yours. That your stay was illegal. Now that is part remains.
No, my lord, the judgment and order, my lord, convicting me under section 14 does not whisper anything about this period.
Okay.
Without whispering anything on that part, my lord, whether I can be convicted.
Now, what is the gross illegality in these judgments? That is just.
My lord.
This is, you see, like you just give us some point. It should not be something like that, Mr. Gurung. Just you know very well these what this court can do and what kind of interference that this court can make, especially when you are here against concurrent finding. You have to give us something
My lord.
where you see, like we can say that there is a apparent illegality. It should not be something like that. It is able to have been or like say like two different kind of interpretation can be given.
My lord.
Okay, it may be or may not be.
Right.
You should please prepare something that is not possible. It is not something like that.
My lord.
So a greater degree of like
My lord.
what to say. So far as your points are concerned, we need something very strong and concrete points. You see, like. Otherwise, this court also is keen to dispose of this matter. You see, like.
The unfortunate part is, my lord, this Nigerian citizen, my lord, at the time when he was arrested, as of now, he has got 2 kids and the family members from Nigeria. They are dying to see them, the grandchildren and all. But, my lord, having said that, my lord, there are circumstances, my lord, when there is an overstay, my lord, and there is a policy that says some fines are imposed,
Give us-
even some notice are issued.
Please give us that. is this, give us that. But then give something which is acceptable, which is not,
My lord. Next day I'll come prepared.
please, and make it known to Mr. Karmi also, if you give
Yes.
something, if you rely on something, please supply it to.
Lordship.
Simple wrong in entry, 11 and 12, has made this matter very complicated.
Exactly.
Yes, Mr. Kharmi,
Lordship, let Mr. Gurung.
help us find out
Find
that
out
proposition of,
those position.
help us find out that proposition of law also. You are
Yes,
prosecutor, you are,
Lordship,
therefore
yes.
you say like you are there to see that a justice is done.
Yes, Lordship.
Your sole motive is not to press for conviction, isn't it?
That's right, Lordship.
Now,
We have to see what
yes, the correct
position of
position.
law, correct.
That is what.
Not just to be happy to get the conviction.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Now, this is repeatedly we are adjourning this matter, Mr. Gurung.
I'll make a last attempt, my lord.
At least give something, if not directly, something of this thing, so that court can write some judgment.
My lord. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, my lord.
Like at least we can condone or overlook that period.
My lord.
Something of that sort. Even if not directly that, yes, you have a notification which says that thing. At least something that if we can condone that also may help us. We'll give you 2 weeks, Mr. Gurung.
yes,
You please do it something,
That's
and
fine.
then make sure we do not adjourn it further.
My lord. My lord.
Yes, hard. Both you have submitted your written notes.
That was long time back, my lord.
Okay,
But-
Mr. Khanvi also has submitted.
Yes, I have submitted myself, sir.
Do the learned. Where is this written arguments? This is LC record.
Mine I filed on the 23rd of June. Lordship.
That's just. Yes. Mr. Gurung, it was filed in 2023.
My lord.
So, probably before this matter came before this court.
My lord.
Is
Yes,
it?
yes, my lord.
So, you do not want any revision of that thing.
My lord, since
You say that whatever you have raised the point that will.
no, my lord, what is fallen from my lord, some queries, I would like to add on to that.
Anyway, so that will remain open to you, say like whatever you see. Though the learned counsel appearing for the parties had already submitted their written notes of argument. Come on. Just you say hard, initially just hard, Mr. Gurung for the petition and Mr. Khanvi so and so. Then you say though. Okay? No, sir. What is it though? The learned counsel. Come on. There appears to be certain points which requires further deliberation. So, Mr. Guru, please for grant us some time. To enable him to prepare the matter further. Mr. Kharmi, learned additional
PP, Lordship.
He has no objection. So, prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks. Please, that is just see. Well, others will just see which you can be done. Give us something at least.
Obliged.
Item number 6.
The petitioner is absent again.
Absent again, Your Lordship.
Mr. Bora.
I've given last time on the last occasion.
My
None
lords,
appears for the petitioner.
my lords, this is a criminal revisions.
We'll dismiss it.
My lords, criminal matters cannot be dismissed, my lords, for
Are you
default.
pleading on behalf of the petitioner? Then?
No, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, there was certain
that's-
numbers of...
No, are you?
No, my
basically
lords. But the laws, I'm just bringing on the law that I'd seen.
Just show us criminal matters cannot be dismissed.
My lords, I have a soft copy of the judgment, my lords. I don't know.
Your Lordship, Mr. P.K. Bora is not doing well.
Okay,
He
so
has-
that is better. So someone is there to mention.
Yes.
Should be there at least.
Yes, give me little bit. I got the acknowledgement later on. He just gave me a call that he has went to the cardiologist for some medical.
Mr. What is your name?
My name is C. Deka, Chandan Deka.
Mr. Deka, C. Deka, Learned Counsel informs that the petitioner, Mr. P.K. Bora, who is appearing in person, P.K. Bora, who is appearing in person, is unwell. What is it? So and so, Mr. So-and-so informs. No? Mr. Okay, informs. Mr. So-and-so is unwell. Stop. He therefore prays that the matter may be adjourned. Prayer allowed, least after 2 weeks.
Bless you.
Please make sure somebody is. Default is one thing uncontainable. Nothing more.
Oblige yourself.
No.